Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send and receive direct messages on Instagram on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and Instagram account. So we're gonna go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to the navigation bar where we have the Instagram logo, the search box, home, direct messages, discover, notifications and profile. Go to direct messages. This is now the new feature Instagram has brought to the users. Click on this and now we can see all the DMs being sent and received. If I send myself, my other account, a message, I can then see this now on my mobile phone. Send something back from the mobile phone. And now I have received a message after I sent a message myself. I can also send photos, hearts, emojis, and anything else. I can write a new message to whoever, all from Instagram.com. Before they introduced this feature, we could not respond to DMs. However, maybe the mass majority of people said we need DMs through Instagram.com and a website on a computer. We may not always have access to the phone, so if we can respond via computer, it's good. So we can. Quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.